Welcome to this helpful tutorial on discovering email addresses on Facebook. While Facebook provides a platform for connecting with friends and colleagues, sometimes it's necessary to find their contact information, such as email addresses, in order to stay in touch and communicate beyond the social network. Whether you're searching for business contacts or looking to maintain connections with friends, this guide will walk you through, step by step, on how to find the email addresses of those who have shared them on their Facebook profiles. First step, open the Facebook app on your phone. After that, tap on the menu in the lower right corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the settings for Facebook. Click on See More in Account Center. Here from the Account Settings section, click on Personal Details. Now, to view your email address, click on Contact Info. Here you can see your email address, phone number. Click on your email address. This opens the settings for that email. You can add another account to this email and have the option to delete the email. And that's how you found your email for the Facebook account. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below.